A high-profile ruling today from the Supreme Court, the case pitting a cake maker in Colorado against a gay couple who wanted to buy a wedding cake from him. The high court siding today with that baker who refused to make that cake, citing his religious beliefs. The Supreme Court finding the Colorado Civil Rights Commission that supported the gay couple acted with religious hostility. ABC's Chief Justice correspondent Pierre Thomas at the court tonight, where there are still many unanswered questions.
It is our duty to fight for our freedom.
Protests on the steps of the Supreme Court today after a ruling in favor of a Colorado baker who turned away a gay couple. Jack Phillips had refused to design a cake for a same-sex wedding, arguing it would violate his religious beliefs as a Christian.
It's not just a cake. This is a religious ceremony that goes in direct conflict with my faith.
Charlie Craig and Dave Mullen said they left Phillips' Masterpiece Cake Shop in 2012 devastated.
I was shocked. I mean, neither one of us had ever been treated this way before at a business.
The Colorado Civil Rights Commission found that Phillips had violated state laws against discrimination. But the Supreme Court took issue with commissioners describing Phillips' beliefs as irrational and offensive. In a 7-2 decision, Justice Anthony Kennedy describing the commission as having a clear and impermissible hostility toward the sincere religious beliefs of Phillips. Today, gay rights activists taking comfort in a limited decision.
It was a very narrow decision that only applies to the unique facts of this particular case. In no way did the Supreme Court undermine our nation's civil rights laws.
The nation's views on same-sex marriage evolving. The most recent ABC News poll found that 81% of Americans said companies should not be allowed to refuse service to gays and lesbians.
So let's get to Pierre Thomas. He's live at the Supreme Court tonight. And Pierre, many legal scholars now saying the court didn't fully resolve the fundamental question here of whether businesses can actually refuse service to same-sex couples based on religious objections.
That's right, David. The issue is left unresolved. And there's a case involving a florist refusing service to a same-sex couple that the Supreme Court could decide to take up as soon as next fall.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.